There you go. There you good girl. What's going on, guys? Mr. Crazy 1870. Just giving you guys a quick audio and video test of the LUMIX LX5. Good girl. What's wrong with you, huh? Hey. As far as the audio quality goes, now it's not the greatest, but when it comes to video and picture quality, it is a really good camera. Now, this is recording in 720p. Sit, Lucy. Sit. 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 Lucy. What's wrong with you? Good girl. So that was just a quick audio and video test of the Panasonic LUMIX LX5. Now I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit into detail in the full review. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. Now before I end this video, I want to give a big thanks to King Alice89 for hooking me up with the tight beat. I will have his link down in the video description. Please don't forget to check out my 2 latest videos. As always, please feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Late.